My life feels awesome because of these 7-day challenges, but my face isn't red because it's evil and serious. It's just my bike. I was biking. Oh man, it just fell. But yeah, I was just biking here at 5:30 a.m. So that's why I have the lights on. But why am I up at 5:30 to bike in the first place? It's because I've never done it before. That's exactly what is part of the 7-day challenge. It is gonna require effort to do these challenges, but if you build the motivation like I did to wake up at 5 a.m. one day, lose an hour of sleep, bike to where I am, trying to do some muscle ups and enjoying the birds chirping, even though it was a little scary, it's gonna be worth it because when you come home, you actually feel like you lived more life. So whatever day it is for you right now, take a list of 7 things you want to do that you haven't really done before, haven't took advantage of, it's a bit challenging. Then for each day of the week, write one of those things that you want to do. This week on Monday, I went to work for 7 hours, which I've never done before. Tuesday, I went on a few calls with people that I know. Wednesday, I walked to the same place in flip-flops and did some pull-ups. I also did many things like make a smoothie, do some type of handstand. And what I am going to do today, I'm going to bike, finish my biking, talk to you right now a bit, make a custom t-shirt. That's going to be fun. And I'm also going to try to learn how to play guitar. I'm trying to play this one song that I think is cool. So I only allowed myself to have 30 minutes of screen time. But most of it is just to look at the tutorial on how to play the guitar, that stuff. So I'm not trying to spend my whole days doing the same things that I do the other days. That's why I got the motivation to do this today, because every single day I spent so many hours on my computer, on screens. So I want to do something different. So think of that for your 7-day challenge as well. Something that's different you haven't done before, that's not the same to how you're living right now. If you want me to help you with your 7-day challenge, I'll give you a full course, I'll talk to you about it. Click that link in the description for the Like-Minded Club. It's completely free, tons of other people are in there like you, and you can all hold each other accountable, talk to each other, make some more friends as one of your 7-day challenge things. Leave a comment on what you're gonna do, like this video if you liked it, do all that algorithm stuff to spread this around so more people can do this challenge. But yeah, I hope you make today amazing, and I'm making my day amazing so far. I'm pretty confident in saying that. It's not even 6 a.m. yet, and I feel like I already done a lot. So do the same. A lot can change in an hour. Peace.